We'll guide you through how to download and install COD Warzone on a PC or laptop for free. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. COD Warzone is a fast-paced battle royale game. It's really fun to go and play, and you can play it with other people as well. And you've probably played similar battle royale games, but it's really cool playing it in Call of Duty. So we're going to guide you through how you can get it step by step. You want to go and open up a web browser of your choice on your computer. Go and search for Call of Duty, like so, to come to the official site, which is callofduty.com. Now you're going to go and see some information here, but what you need to do is go and hover your cursor over games at the top. Of course, we want COD Warzone, so click there. Now you can come down here and go and see the different platforms. In this case, we're going to use battle.net. So you want to go and click. Now it's going to go and say downloading. It should go and start. As you can see, it's now downloaded battle.net setup. Now we can come out of our web browser and you need to go and find your file explorer at the bottom. You can go and click on it. You can press downloads to the left and go and find the battle.net setup. Double click on it like so. You'll go and get a Windows Qt pop-up. You can now see that it's downloading some different things. Just be patient while this loads. It shouldn't go and take too long. In the meantime, you want to return to the Battle.net website, go to the top right and hover over account. If you haven't already got an account, you want to go down and press create account. Now what we can do is start by creating our account here. So enter in your birthday and press continue. Press continue like so. Now you can enter in your first and last name. Press continue. Then you need to enter in your account email, so just make sure you can access this. Press continue, then make sure you read and agree this. I already have, so I'm going to agree, then press agree. Now you need to go and set a password. You can then go and create a battle tag. So this is your public identity. So I'm going to make this GuideRealm like so. Then we'll go and press continue, and then we can come out of our web browser and you want to come back here. Now what we can do here is we can go and sign into our account. So I'm going to enter in the email that I just made my account with. It's now going to go and open up and we can go and close off this. Now what you can do is go and press games at the top. At the top in favorites, you should go and see Call of Duty, which you can then go and click on, and it should go and say play for free. And this is Call of Duty Warzone. So then what you can do is go and click on it like so. Now we can start the process. So press change folder to the right, and you then need to go and choose where you want to go and have it installed. I'll do it on this one here and press select folder. Then you can choose if you want to have auto update or desktop shortcut and the language, and you can then press continue. Press start install. Now the process is going to go and begin. When it's finished, you can come and click it, hit the top here, and where it says installing, it's going to go and say play. So you have to click play and it'll then go and launch.